The fresh development from the motion to censor corrupt member of parliament has taken a development. Now, you realize the recent update coming indicates that only a part of members of parliament have voted. And as it is indicated, we have the list of Acholi sub-region, the members of parliament who voted against the corrupt members of parliament. These are the members of parliament who have participated from the Acholi sub-region. We have, with their respective districts, starting right away from Pade district, Honorable Komakej Christopher, who hails from Maru County, has voted, and in Pade district there's only one person. Then also we go to Gulu district. There we have Mego Aol Betu Chan, who hails from Gulu city, voted, and she's the only person from the entire Gulu. When we look at Amoro, which has a lot of problems related to land, that is Apa, the most painful issue in Acholi sub-region right now. We have Honorable Gilbert Lanya, who comes from Kilak South, that is Kilak South constituency. Gilbert Lanya is well known for participating actively in favor of the citizens. Then also we look at Kidum district. There is Honorable Lemwara Margaret, who hails from Chuahi's constituency. Honorable Lemwara Margaret has voted that these corrupt members of parliament should be censored. Then the counterpart also, Honorable Onegaliet Dennis from Kitgum municipality, has voted that these members of parliament who have swindled public fund should be censored. Then we get to Agago district. In Agago district, only one member of parliament has voted, that is Honorable again David Atoka, also a very famous member of parliament from Acholi, who hails from Agago County constituency, has voted that these corrupt members of parliament should indeed be censored. Then when we look at Lamore, the entire Lamore district, nobody has voted from Lamore district. And lastly, we go to Noya district. There's nobody who has voted in whatsoever record. There's no member of parliament who has voted from Noya district, which is allegedly taken over by Balalo. That is how many people say. So what you must remember is this is a personal decision by a member of parliament, not a representative of the members of the constituency. It does not require a member of parliament to seek the opinion of the voters. So it is their personal will to vote or not to vote. Thank you.